Hey guys, this is Michelle from Michelle Logan $1,000,000 Dupes Money Luxury. Today I'm going to be redoing my master bedroom inspired from Restoration Hardware. I'm trying to get the camera so you can see it. I'm going to be moving this sofa here all the way to that bay window. And I'm going to be moving all of this out. I'm probably going to end up putting this in my closet. This little, where the handbags are, right there. And probably end up bringing a round table upstairs and putting the handbags in on the table, um, or putting them in the closet. But it's a whole lot of stuff. Then I have an ottoman over there in the window. I'm going to take that. I'm going to put that ottoman probably at the end of the bed if it fits. The whole point of doing this is this whole wall is a whole wall back here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a flat wall. That wall right there. I'm going to be getting an IKEA pack system, a couple months down the road. So I'm just trying to get the bedroom ready for it because all of this has to go. These chairs have to go. It's not going to fit because I'm going to get the deep closet. So the closet's going to come out. So I'm going to have room for the chairs to move up. So I'm trying to kind of copy that Heather's closet. She had 2 chairs, and then she had all glass enclosed closet doors. I'm kind of into 2 Chanel chairs, like Chanel pillows. I'm kind of trying to copy that. So all this stuff is not going to fit. So the first thing we're going to do, let me show you the master bedroom in case you haven't seen it. This is a Restoration Hardware inspired master bedroom. That's the master bedroom right there. Now those pictures. Hey Coco, you want to wake up? It's my little dog. The pictures are from Restoration Hardware. It's hard to see. The lighting is hard. You ever see the TV sets of all these bright lights and everything? You don't realize it until you ever been on the set. I see why now, because it's hard to get the lighting right. I have a whole big, tall, now that I use my eBay business, like those big, tall, like side lights, and, it's just work with me on the lighting. Anyway, you see it right there. That's a big, like photo light. So that's the bedroom right over there. That's the upholstered sofa. Right here at the end of the bed. That's from At Home Store. The bed itself is some Ashley furniture that's upholstered, tufted, 69 inches tall. The round chandeliers on the bed are actually a dupe, $1,000,000 dupe, matter of fact, of the focal cup or crystal chandelier. So that's that. And so let me turn it back this way. I think that's a good picture. I measured already. It said it would fit. This was like, when I measured, this was like, it's not going to stay in place, but it was like, $77. When I measured over there where it's going, it was like 80 something. So it should fit. Now I don't know how to do all this because 2 guys moved this in here. Okay. So we got to move some things around. Let's sit this down. And I started my channel because I love interior design. I love luxury. I love, shopping. I love home decor. This looks good with this red too. Red and pink. I got these from one of my Amazon dupe videos. Take a look at that. And I added the scarf to look like the Hermes inspired scarf in the pony. I added that. This came separately from the bag, just to take it to another level. And I have a tan one as well, because these bags feel and look like $1,000,000. High quality vegan faux leather. Once I bought this one first, I said, wow, I need a red one, I need a black one, so I have red and black. Tell me this doesn't look like $1,000,000. I'll put it in the link below. But let me move the ottoman first, and I gotta move the plant. I probably just may add music to this on the other one on the way back. I'm not sure, but These are some books that I have. Chanel number 5. See? 1,000 sold on Amazon. Gucci. Oh, we're gonna put these on the bed right here on the table. Got a nice magazine. Angels Believe. Some great stories in this magazine. All right, so we have an ottoman here. Move that out of the way. Let's go sit this on the side. Come back to it. Got another dog bed over here. Scoot out the way. Get that out the way. That was easy. All right. Got another dog bed. Uh-oh. Go. Wake up, Coco. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Can't be that tired. Wake up. Wake up. You're not even on the pillow. Wake up. Wake up. Okay. Let me go move this plant out. This is a live plant. Fiddly ficus. Okay. How it looks there. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty right there. Beautiful pillows that we got from At Home Store. Gold sequins on them. Let's sit down in this chair. And that chandelier is from, I think, Home Depot. Looks like $1,000,000. It costs like $140. I'll try to find it, put it below. I don't think they have a link. I'll double check. But I mean, that chandelier looks like $1,000,000, especially at nighttime. Oh my gosh, it just sparkles. There we go. It just sparkles. Now, how are we gonna do it? We already closed to one side. So like that. Let's move that back. I need to vacuum first. And this is a nice sofa. This is a full size sofa. It came from at home store. It's $412 and 29 cents. And I use a $200 gift card for it. So whenever you're making these big purchases, guys, you know how you open up a new Comcast account or Verizon, or you know, you get some kind of promotional gift card. Use your gift card to fund these purchases. So you cut it in half. So I paid $200 and change. The sun is really bright outside of the window. That's why I have them closed. But I need to vacuum first, so hold on. Coco sleep right through vacuum. Okay. Where do we want to start first with the vacuuming? Alright, so we'll move stuff around if you got little pieces of, you know, particles here. I want to try to clean it up. There's a plug right here. Perfect. Right on the end. To make everything look fresh. Doesn't take long to move stuff around. You can tell done it a million times, you know. I've had this room so many different ways. But with that IKEA pack system coming in, you know, a few months, I'm gonna need to put those chairs up front, in front of it. That's the vision. The chairs will be catty corner, one chair, and the pack system's on that back wall. So that's how that would have to be. So the sofa's got to go because it's no room to have all three, you know. I don't want to keep the sofa there when the main goal was to, you know, to do the videos down the road from right here. You see, the chairs and then the whole back wall. So that's that view. There we go. Touch up over here really quick, back in this area. Smash the like button if you're getting value out of me doing this live, you know, pretty much live, you know, doing it all myself because it just helps the video move up in the ranking since I'm trying to grow my channel. I would appreciate it. All right, let's see how we're going to move this. Pushing, so all I know how to do is push. I need to push this way because it's going to have to go catty corner. Way back. Maybe one this way. Might be better if I stick with my original plan. It's gotta go over. Over and then back and then over. It's kind of gotta go to opposite. The opposite way of what we need. Let me kind of lift this thing up. Whew. I know y'all like, how is she doing all that herself? Whew. It's gonna fit. Wow. That's why you always measure first. I need to move this table back some. Plenty of space. My little dog was laying here before, so. Vent over here too, we don't want to cover up the vent. This condo is it's a 2-level condo. It's like a townhouse style condo. They did a great job with this master bedroom because this master bedroom is pretty large. They have a full sofa at the end of the bed, and now they have there's a bay window over there too. See the sofa's open in the bay window, so you can do a lot with the room. This is a pretty generous size. So let's see. Let me step back and see how it looks. What is that on the bottom? Tag. Let's see. It looks like a kinky leg. Push it over this way. I'm gonna play with this hair when it's long. You're gonna keep it straight. Okay, next we're gonna take these pillows. I'm gonna put them over here. I think I can go back a little more. I don't want to block the heat. Got another bed over there. Kind of see it over there. And now the space is clear at the end of the bed. Okay, so the other plan was to see where these chairs would have to be up and center, like right here, because the bookshelf is going to be, the IKEA pack system is going to be right behind it on this wall. That wall right over there. So the chairs, I want the chairs to be up front, candy corner. But it's still probably going to come out a little more. Just kind of gauge it all. Probably going to leave this here for now. I'm trying to center it some more. We don't have the system yet. This is a mannequin. We have things on. It's a little mannequin I have. This. Have to be even. That backs up. These are tufted chairs I got from the at-home store, and this is a Chanel banner. Well, I don't know if it's a banner, like a, one of those poles or something, but got it from Macy's when it was closing, and I almost missed it. I got I got 4 total. Sold 2 on eBay. I kept 2. I got another kind of banner. Sold that. Got all this from Macy's. Guess it cost $5. Yes. $5. See the Chanel on the other side over there. Chanel. From the makeup department. If you ever have a department store that's closed, you get some good deals with high-end brand designer names from the makeup department. I got all the posters. I got so much stuff. I got the posters. I got the ribbon. See what this bracelet looks like with this. I got the ribbons. Oh, I got the boxes. All the Chanel. I got so many Chanel perfume boxes. Sold them online. You can find some good deals. I'm not sure if I like that. And it's hard to envision because I don't have the wall system yet, so. That sofa's kind of facing out. It's kind of contemporary to match this. It's a tufting design, but looking at it from like an angle, it's a little bit contemporary to be looking at from an angle, from that angle. It's a little more contemporary than this is more, restoration hardwood type. That's like it was a little more contemporary version. And I can always do the chairs the other way at the end of the bed, but that's not part of the plan, but I can see how it looks. We got an ornament we gotta put down. That's not gonna work. The ornament's gotta go back at the end of the bed. I almost forgot about that. We got an ornament tucked in over there. So we bring this up some. But it's gonna have to be pushed up because that IKEA pack system is gonna probably come out to right here. Let's see. That doesn't look bad. Okay. Now, the sofa is I don't have any other room for the sofa to go because I got 2 sofas downstairs. I got an extra bedroom back there. There's no room for that sofa in that bedroom. But here, I have a den in there. It's got 2 chairs, full restoration hardware leather look, so that wouldn't match. Let's slide that back some. This is the ottoman. Okay. It's 100 degrees in here, I agree with you. It's hot outside. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this all in here or not. The ottoman looks good, but it's not gonna look right with the 2 chairs, right beside it. Okay. It looks good with the bed. Get out the way. See, it matches the bed, but the 2 chairs are right there. Eventually, when I would get a round table and move all this stuff off of there when that system comes. And I think I'm gonna put the ottoman back up. I have a lot of clothes for my eBay business in my other room, so that's why there's no room in there for this ottoman. Sit it right there. try this way. You can see the Chanel part, now you kind of play around with it. I'm going to turn this one this way. See if I can move the camera down. You kind of see what I'm trying to do. Turn it this way. This needs to come over some more. Needs that square feet on the bottom. That's pretty. That's how the chair looks. You can't see it. Okay, let's see. That's how the chair looks without the Chanel like throw on it. Okay. Yeah, nice. I said, wait a minute, I can put these on top to create that, you know, Chanel look. It is real Chanel from the cosmetics department. You know, Chanel. I think it was a runner or a table. Could have been a table or something like a curtain, those, you know, banners that you hang. Some point in time as an inventory. I got so many Gucci boxes. Oh my gosh, got a whole